Dog odors in cars come from pet dander, urine, and saliva that embed deeply in upholstery and vents. First, thoroughly ventilate the car by opening windows and using fans to air out the space. Next, vacuum the interior meticulously using a HEPA filter to capture embedded pet dander and hair. Address specific odor sources with enzymatic cleaners that break down odor causing organic matter at a molecular level. Apply to affected areas, let dwell for 10 to 15 minutes, and blot dry. As a final quick deodorizing step, sprinkle baking soda on the seats and carpets, let it sit overnight, and vacuum it up the next day. For stubborn odors that won't go away, use a portable UVC light sanitizer to kill odor-causing bacteria in minutes. Professional detailing with ozone generators neutralizes odors at a molecular level without leaving residues. Use eco-friendly plant-based enzyme sprays for quick interior cleanse to maintain a fresh-smelling car. For prevention, regularly groom your dog to minimize dander and use waterproof seat covers with antimicrobial coatings. For urine accidents, pee pads can prevent odors from setting in. As a natural deodorizer, spread coffee grounds on carpets for 24 hours to absorb bad smells. Combine methods like vacuuming, enzymatic spray, and baking soda for fast results on mild odors within an hour.